Subscribers, we have two printers over here today. We got a new one that will replace this existing one. I will explain what's going on with this one, and I will do the small review on this new LaserJet Pro M102w. Well, let's see what it does. So one of the days, I think it's just I'm run out of paper. Or paper it just stops, so I pull this thing out and check, nothing there, and I start running. I open the bottom tray. It's kind of this thing is on my way. I open the bottom tray and I close it. As in within a second, I have something clicking inside and have this red button on. So I try to reset it, and you name it, I did pretty much everything and check everything. I'm not sure. Probably something get twist or jump out somewhere inside. But this is a very good printer. This is the Brother HL5250GN. This is network printer, and it's sort of like a horse. I would strongly suggest buy this if you have ability to buy that one. So we're going to replace this one, which is about $60 off of Craigslist, and I think I have them from Office for free. And we replace with this one, which is the LaserJet Pro M102w. Well, this HP LaserJet this company HP have this LaserJet printer, which is the laser inject, and it's a pro. I'm assuming it's professional, and it explains what's inside in this professional model, what can do. Probably do lots of business stuff you can do with it. So it is obviously 700 pages, and LaserJet, which is the drum imaging drum, 12,000 pages. Well, I think it's 700 pages per one set. Is good. Anyway, print with a router using Wi-Fi direct. I'm pretty sure it will print from my phone as well. Fast print speed up 23%. Okay, auto on off technology. Well, super. Let's open this puppy. I love HP. I don't know for what reason, but it is good printers. There's other printers out there, but I found them less advanced and easy to use. Okay, very nice strong box. I'm pretty sure my printer is safe over the shipping. Got the installation manual, which is the small brochure printed on few pages. You got the LaserJet Pro 101, 114, LaserJet Ultra 10106. It's same description for all of them. This is probably a program which you can get off of on internet as well. Well, we're going to use a standard driver, and let's get open. What else it has on there? USB cable. Interesting. And there's a power cord. Okay, let's get that open. It's upside down. Those are shipping tapes to avoid damages. They're probably cartridges already loaded. We'll double check that. Gotta remove all this, I guess. There's a plastic tray. There you go. It's for envelopes and other stuff, probably, or from the top here. Let's see. Okay. this installation instruction. Pretty easy. Easy smeezy. I'm not sure what that's for, but it looks strange. I got it. This is a tray, and that's how you do it. So it's supposed to be pulled out. It says one is flop it together. So what you do is just unflop it and pull it inside this way. So this will lock up. Then you insert one end to the one side. This one right here to one side, and then this one. Push it back tiny bit. Get inside. There you go. That's how it's supposed to be. Very interesting, but I guess you put paper here and stuff come out here. Unfortunately, there's nothing out to this printer. It's interesting. I have this tray over here with little holes. There's nothing else can go in there. I'm not sure what is that for, to be honest with you, but I will plug this thing in and we'll see what's gonna happen. Okay, plug that thing in. Let's see, it's off. This is what it looks like inside. And it's probably the toner right here with the handle, but it's locked. I probably wouldn't touch it because it's probably mounted inside. They have to come up. Let's turn that thing in, I guess, right here. Over here is the power supply. Wireless. I'm assuming that's wireless. Start working. I hope I removed everything I have to remove it. So it's still making this noise. Let's see, in instruction it says don't pull it by hand. So which is very good. Let's see if we open this thing up. How you take the cartridge out? Oh, right here. When it's on, it's easy to get out. Wow, nice. Very nice cartridge. Just it looks like a little drum, but this is a cartridge. That's how long it takes. Probably 700 pages. I'm surprised. Inside, and we'll go ahead and print some. I think it's asking for paper now, but we don't have any paper. And of course we're going to load some. So this kind of sloppy, you lift it up and push this all the way and make it step forward. Just the way it is. Well, let's see what it's gonna do. So it's ready for connection. What if we're going to hold? I'm probably gonna just do the test. I'm pretty sure one page is enough, but it's fine. Gotta cancel, otherwise you're gonna print it. I still probably gonna be able to use it. So it's one brand new. It's brand new. No, it's network summary. Network summary. Oh my goodness. Configuration summary. Alright, well it is, guys, very nice compact printer. I love it. This is kind of yanking me I don't like it, to be honest. I don't know why this hole's over here for. So if anybody knows, just please write it in comment. This is the bottom for the envelopes, I'm assuming, to load in proper size of envelopes. It is awesome. You can close this like this. But you gotta take the paper off first. I think it's amazing. Just close it and it goes. Not with that much of a paper. That's it, like this. To be honest, I'll find out how this thing can disappear. Just push it all the way inside. Now you can close it. And I still didn't figure out how these two holes can be used and for what. Voila, we plug our new printer. Let's power on and see how long it takes to install. So I'm assuming it's installing right now. It's a USB on the back. Like I said, there's either USB option or wireless option. Next, we need to install the driver for Pro M102w. So go to Start, then Devices and Printers. You get this page right here, and click on Add Printer. Unless you want to use CD, add local printer if you're not doing that via network, and pick the one from the list, which is the one we've seen. We actually didn't find it over here, so we click through the Windows Update and we have exactly this model of LaserJet Pro right here, Pro. And you might not find the drivers on it. So the closest one I've got, it was a professional LaserJet Pro 20 something, but R is at 102. So this was 20 LaserJet Pro 20. But anyway, the driver it has not provided by Windows. So you put your CD in a tray, and you go to heavy disk and browse for this driver. Usually right here. DVD is probably somewhere over here. The system must go out around, but we don't want that. I think I want just a driver. This is probably in it, that's the driver. This one right here, 60. I'll probably use this one right here. HP. This one right here. It does not recognize it. Let's use auto run. No. LaserJet M. There you go. This is the driver. So the system has found driver for this printer in .cd. Click next. Give a name to this printer. Click next and installations continue. Okay, you can share this printer if you want, or you don't have to share it. Print test page. We want to print a test page. We're gonna just print next invoice. So we have some labels to print, and let's reprint it because I wasn't able to reprint it. Print it. It is loading label, and let's see. Let's print this up. And it started blinking here and there. Well, we have a simple problem. I didn't connect my printer to the computer, and now it's driver starting installing. So we shouldn't even use the procedure that I used before. So now we're gonna print it. There you go. So don't forget to connect your printer to computer. Awesome. Got a label real quick. Alright, good quality label, and it's very easy to print. Alright, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys gonna like this printer. If you got any suggestion why this top bar is on it, please suggest. Thanks for watching.